Welcome back, guys. In this video, we're given the base of a triangle is 2x squared plus 5x minus 3 over x squared minus x minus 12, and the height is x squared minus x minus 2 over 2x squared minus 5x plus 2. We have to find the area in simplest form and explain the restrictions. Okay, so we have to find the area of this triangle, and we know the area of a triangle is equal to what? 1/2 base times height, or base times height divided by 2. But I like to rewrite it like this when I'm dealing with rational expressions. Both of these are the same. So now what we simply have to do is just plug in this for the base and then this for the height. So we'll have 1/2. The base would be 2x squared plus 5x minus 3 all over x squared minus x minus 12. And then the height would be this here, x squared minus x minus 2 all over 2x squared minus 5x plus 2, like that. And now we just have to simplify this here. So first thing to do when we simplify is factor. So this, you know what, I'm actually going to get rid of this big bracket here. So this 2x squared plus 5x minus 3, if you do FOIL on the side, what would you get? What would the two brackets be? Well, they would be plus 3 minus 1. And then this denominator here factors into x minus 4, x plus 3. I don't expect you to be able to do this in your head like this. You should be doing decomposition on the side and then coming back and then plugging in the factors for the numerator and denominator. So that there is the base, and then here the height, the numerator, x minus 2, x plus 1. And then this here would be 2x, x minus 2 minus 1, like that. So 1/2 times the base times the height. Now, we're going to be able to simplify here, but before we do, I would actually get the restrictions at this point. Remember what the steps are. First, you want to factor everything, and then before simplifying, you want to get the restrictions. So notice that we're multiplying rational expressions, so we figure out when does the denominator equal 0. Well, notice here, x cannot equal 4, and then x cannot equal negative 3. Because if one of those happen, then that means that the base will be undefined. Which would make the area undefined, and we can't have that. That would make no sense, right? So x cannot equal 4, x cannot equal negative 3. That would make the base undefined. And then over here, notice x cannot equal positive 1/2, and then x cannot equal 2. And that would make the height undefined. Right? So these two restrictions make the base undefined. These two restrictions make the height undefined. So that's what the restrictions are and their explanations. And now we could just simplify. So notice x plus 3 cancel out. 2x minus 1, 2x minus 1. And we got x minus 2, x minus 2. And I believe that is everything. So what we're left with, multiply 1 by x plus 1, that's just x plus 1. And then multiply the 2 by x minus 4. So that's what the question simplifies to, and those are the restrictions and their explanation.